From manager, now the owner of JGC Business Process Outsourcing Services. Doon naman tayo mag-focus ngayon, Ms. Jay. Yung pagiging from employee, now you are a business owner.
Yes.
Can you describe to me the shift?
Ayun. Coach, siguro sa akin ngayon, before, kasi ngayon, I wasn't driven by passion eh.
Okay.
Hindi na siya passion eh.
Okay.
But more on reasons.
Alright.
Yun. So, yun yung natutunan ko kay Mami Cas na, like yung ginawa niya sa akin, di ba normally kasi, bakit sinasabi na, ba't ang loyal mo dito? Ba't di ka pa umaalis? Bakit ganyan, ganyan, ganyan? Kasi ako, ang nakita ko kasi sa kanya, okay, yumaman siya, Coach. Wala na, syempre kung di naman siya yayaman, Coach, hindi syempre, hindi successful yung business, di ba?
Right.
Pero ang maganda kasi, Coach, meron siyang thinking na yayaman ako, yayaman tayo together.
Okay.
So, ako ngayon, so siguro, Coach, kasi when you say you're passionate, is that, parang meron kang gusto, then hindi ka willing na parang paano yung journey ng mga taong naging successful. So, natutunan ko nung naging CEO na ako na hindi pala siya ganun kadali. It's not a fairy tale na pag sinabi mo na, di magaling ako, kailangan magiging successful ako, makukuha ko yung quota ko, kailangan. Kasi like ako, Coach, pag kinu-coach mo ako, di ba, pag kinakausap mo ako, isa lang yung gusto ko, I want to make it big.
Yes.
So, mahilig ako, di ba, Coach, parang I have to do it in 2 years, in 1 year. So, hindi yun kaagad pala pwedeng mangyari. Number 1 is syempre kung ano yung gusto ni God para sa'yo, anong plano niya para sa mga tao mo. So, ngayon, I'm driven by passion, by reasons, is that I will not stop mag-fail man ako. Bastang importante, yung ako, ma-duplicate ko sa mga tao ko.
Wow.
Yun.
Again,
Yes.
very inspiring and a very good lesson for all those leaders out there.
Yes.
Because leadership is not about just yourself.
Yes.
Leadership is basically being able to inspire the people around us to be better people. And yun ang kagandahan ni Mami Cas at ni Miss J because they try to share not only the blessings of financial progress, but also the blessing of wisdom, skills, and even faith in God.